Friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is branch cut method, keyhole contour C. Omega 0 to infinity tan inverse x into x plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. So friends, I can write this equation as omega equals to 0 to infinity and 0 to 1 x into dy dx divided by x into x plus 1 x square plus 1 into 1 plus y square x square. So friends, in here you in case this omega and this omega, because must remember tan inverse x can be written 0 to 1 dy divided by 1 plus x square y square. So we can get this result. Tan inverse x result is this. Now friends, whatever I see, consider the function ln z into z plus 1 into z square plus 1 and 1 plus, I say this y equal to alpha. So alpha z square in here, or y square is equal to alpha z square. It can be written as ln mod z plus I argument of z and divided by z plus 1 z square plus 1 plus alpha z square for all alpha greater than 0, and poles are z belongs to minus 1 plus minus I and plus minus I root over 1 plus alpha, and branch point, that is very important, that is 0, z equals to 0. So keyhole contour C, this is the keyhole contour C, and where 0 is argument 0 arc z and less than 2 pi. So friends, you can see this is my circle, this is the imaginary axis, this is real axis is x and x dash, and you see that point is minus 1 is my pole, so for point is minus 1, pole is minus 1, and plus minus I root over alpha and plus minus I, both are pole, and this is the contour. 0 is my branch point, must remember the branch point is 0. So I just cut this point by the, so circle is avoided 0. So this is my branch cut diagram. I hope I can clear. And this is the path gamma, this is the small gamma, capital gamma, omega 2, omega 1. Okay, now let's start to discuss this portion in here. Now friends, if you see the diagram, if you can see the diagram, you see that total contour is equal to gamma. This is the gamma, this is the omega 1, this is the omega 2, and this is the gamma. So 2 pi I sum of the residue of pole inside the contour C, and residue z tends to minus 1, fz equals to residue z tends to minus 1 ln z square plus 1 plus alpha square z is equal to pi I 1 plus alpha, because I find out residue. So z plus 1 is cut. Another is residue z tends to plus minus I, so I get the residue. This is my residue, and another is z belongs to I plus minus 1 by alpha. This value is my value, and after that 0 to infinity fz dz value is 2 pi minus 2 alpha to the power 3 by 2 alpha plus 1 2 alpha ln alpha and 4 alpha square minus 1. And after that, by parameterization, omega 1, in case of omega 1, what is the omega 1? In here omega 1, so this is my distance is epsilon, this is epsilon. So you see that omega 1 case x minus I epsilon, with x belongs to r epsilon, and 1 has r tends to infinity and epsilon tends to 0. If you see, so you get this is the ln x minus I epsilon, I argument z. Just I am putting the value z equals to x minus I, the fz function. So whatever I get, fz is this. And after that, omega 2 x plus I alpha I epsilon. So I get the addition is, this is my addition, minus 2 pi I 0 to infinity. Now friends, you see that by Jordan lemma, gamma position fz dz is equal to 0. Gamma position, this is the gamma position, fz dz equal to 0, and this gamma, this is small gamma, is also 0. So this portion is also 0. So friends, whatever I see, so what I get actually, I get 0 to infinity dx divided by x plus 1 x plus 1 x square plus 1 and 1 plus alpha x square equals to pi by minus 2 y cube plus y square plus 1 and plus 4y square ln y square and 1 minus y to the power 4 and whatever I get, omega is equal to pi by 4 0 to 1 minus 2 y cube plus y square plus 1 divided by 1 minus y to the power 4 dy and plus 0 to 1 y square ln y divided by 1 minus y to the power 4 dy. So friends, this is the trigamma function, trigamma, and this is the, suppose it is t and it is I. So friends, you get this is the two value. Now we want to see that in case of j, I can write this function as a j. This function as a j. So j value I get, it is a digamma function, y to the power 4 tends to y, and after that this value is up to 3 by 2 ln 2. So I can write this value is 3 by 2 ln 2, and after that this value is also take y to the power 4 as a y. So whatever I get, this t value equals to 1 by 16 0 to 1 y to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 ln y divided by 1 minus y dy equals to minus 1 by 16 tri gamma 3 by 4, and after that this value is minus 1 by 16 pi square minus 8g. This is special function. So friends, my omega value is, integral value is pi by 4 3 by 2 ln 2 plus 1 by 16 8g minus pi square. So I hope I can clear the total concept. Thanks for watching.